everyone, welcome to MUSE 4501. Unit has 7,270 square feet. We have a total of 6 rooms. All are en suites, 5 full rooms, 1 den, 2 master bedrooms, combined living and dining, phenomenal views, great for entertaining, great for cooking, great for enjoying. Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances. Not only do we see the Atlantic Ocean, but on the other side, the Hard Rock Cafe. Great amenities, beach club service included as well.
So
spacious hallways.
they think that they should be able to walk with us. Does your son have the Oculus?
Architectural masterpiece.
Damn, this is beautiful.
$300,000 staircase, custom made solid marble. Grand foyer entrance upon the 2nd level. And here we have our recreational media room.
Wow, this is beautiful. The glass in the balcony is cleaned up here, very nice.
And the main master bedroom is
Take me. This one over here?
Yep.
Check out the bathroom first. Whoa. I love the bathrooms. Oof. This is a master?
And the TV comes down from the ceiling. It's a $40,000 TV lift. I can bring it down if you want.
Yeah, bring it down. Never mind.